And welcome to another members-only edition of the Blockchain Brew Show. Guys, we're going to cover the VIP signals in our Discord right now. These are aggregated from top ROI traders on BYDFi, one of our exchange partners of choice. We'll go ahead and dive on into these signals right now. Got a Propel for you guys. The show's sponsored by water. Okay. Let me actually turn some music on here. I forget to do that because I'm not live, you know. Let's see here. Bam. Okay, and screen share. Okay, so for the signals for today, this came in on the swing signals at 10:36 p.m. last night. Well, first we had Bitcoin, 10:19 p.m. last night. This is a long setup, entry at 64,000, take profit at 64.8, TP2 at 66.4, TP3 at 67.2, with a stop loss at 63.1. So let's come over to TradingView and see how that played out. Go to the 1 hour. Okay, entry was at 64. And you know, we did make it up to the first take profit. Definitely. That was at 64.8. Not much of a swing though. These are supposed to be swing signals. But yeah, so that made it to the TP1, but then it shortly reversed. The stop loss is at $63,100. So stop loss is yet to hit, but the stop loss is in target right now. Bitcoin is eyeing the stop loss as we speak. Definitely with this uptrending line of support that is breaking right now on the hourly chart, coupled with sell signal, break of a trend line, just waiting for the trend catcher to turn red, and then your TP1 on the short is 63.2, and the TP2 is 62.2. So something to keep an eye on there. Let's look at our next signal. We had IDU. So what is this coin anyways? IDU. I don't even see an IDU. What is this? Okay, I guess the coin is called Space ID. Oh, it's not IDU, it's ID against USDT. I get it. Okay, let's see. ID. There we go. Guys, this is up 25%. Okay, so there's the hour chart. Okay, so what is this coin before we look at the chart? Okay. Space ID is building a universal name service network with a one-stop identity platform to discover, register, trade, manage Web3 domains. It also includes Web3 Name SDK and API for developers across blockchains and provides a multi-chain name service for anyone to easily build and create a Web3 identity. The ID token is the governance token of Space ID. It is designed to play a critical role in the decision-making process of the project, allowing users to have a say in the direction and future of Space ID. The ID token serves as an essential part in the growth and sustainability of the Space ID ecosystem, incentivizing users to engage with the project and contribute to its success. With the launch of ID, Space ID is poised to become a leader in the Web3 industry, providing users with even more well-rounded platform for managing their digital identities. Okay, so last one, what is Space ID? Okay, so name service, think Ethereum name service, with with some more privacy and better tech, right? One-stop identity platform that simplifies the creation and management of Web3 identities. Okay, so I wonder why the hype about this. Let's look at news. I don't know if it's because people just read space and think SpaceX. That can't be it. News. I'm not seeing any news. Okay, crypto gainers today. Yeah, but I could have told you that just by going to top gainers. Well, regardless, let's come over here and chart it. Share this tab instead. We're going to go ID against USDT, and the signal, the entry signal came in at 0.0345. Okay. 0.0345, stop loss was 0.0322. So where was 0.0345? Right about there. So let me put a line where that signal came in. Bam. Okay, so from the point of the signal, it did about a 15% gain up to the wick. Not too bad. From where it is right now, that's up 10%. So, hey, by the time you got, granted, if you were looking at this on Lux Algo, from the point in time where the trend catcher turned green, you're dealing with a 46% gain. Okay, so the Discord signal squeezed out the last 15% of that for you, right? Not too shabby. A 15% gain on a trade is very good. I mean, if you're on 3x leverage, that's 45%. If you're on 5x leverage, that's over 70%, right? Sorry if my math is wrong. That's not too shabby. A lot of times the signals in this Discord, they actually gain a lot more than 15%. Sometimes they get stopped out. Nothing works 100% of the time. Getting stopped out is okay. That's what your stop loss is for. And let's see. Okay. So that was that part. Now let's come back over to the Discord and let's look at our market analysis for the day. Okay, yesterday at 10:17 p.m., Bitcoin USDT market update. Bitcoin swept two lows on the lower time frames while weekly stays bearish. Here's the relief long most traders will miss. This isn't a trend reversal call. Weekly and daily are still heavy, but 4-hour and 1 hour stopped making new lows. Price swept at $62,216 and $63,209, then printed a higher low and reclaimed $64,080. If 6480 holds, this runs into the 66.4 to 67.2 $1,000 supply zone. If it breaks, the downtrend resumes straight to $59,081. Invalidation is if the 15-minute closes below $63,150. So this market update definitely called a little bit of a bounce today. I think the bounce turned out to definitely be weaker than $67,000. Time will tell. It's Bitcoin is fishing for that 63.1 number right now. And if that's the case, then we're looking to 59, according to this market analysis, which I think is a pretty fair analysis. So there you guys go. And thanks for tuning in to another members only or members first episode of the Blockchain Brew Show. Cheers.